this Intelliro Infratech site, our plant stands as an example of how the right technology and the right people come together to deliver reliable results. Taurian MPS is proud to partner with Intelliro Infra. They have purchased our track-mounted screen TT1662T, along with the TWS100 sand washing plant and THT600 thickener. Intelliro Infra requires 4 lakh MT of sand over the next 3 years for the Yavatmal Nanded new BG line project under Rail Vikas Nigam Limited, RVNL, connecting the Yavatmal and Nanded districts. Our TWS100, with its high silt removal capacity hydrocyclone and highly efficient dewatering screen, is capable of producing both Zone 2 and Zone 3 sand simultaneously. The THT600 thickener delivers outstanding performance with 85 to 90% process water recovery, ensuring efficient water management during operations. It's the people who truly drive this plant, ensuring smooth operations and consistent output every day.